What's up guys, my name is Jay and I'm the founder of Enhanced Trades, and in this video we're going to be talking about exactly what the Enhanced Trades algo is, how it works, the results, and what your subscription gets you. So let's just jump right into it, right? So what is the Enhanced Trades algo? So the algo is essentially a trading algorithm that uses technical indicators and mathematical formulas to predict market moves right before they happen. The whole purpose of the Enhanced Trades algo is to find pre-momentum moves so that we can get right at the entry point and take off, right? That's the whole point of trading, right? Get that perfect entry point and secure the cash. And that's exactly what this trading algorithm does. Before, all your charts might just be like all over the place, right? With multiple different indicators and a lot of stuff. That's a lot of noise, right? And that can be cause a headache sometimes, and it's confusing, and sometimes you might just doubt yourself, right? But that's exactly what the enhanced trades does for you instead. It keeps trading simple. It removes the noise from your charts. Exactly what you need. Simplicity is key. And that's why we go scroll down right here. It says simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, said by Leonardo da Vinci. Very smart man, right? We keep scrolling down. Let's see. Right now we are just on the website for enhanced trades. The link will be down below. So we all know this fact, 90% of traders are like this guy in this picture, where they're glued to their screen all day trying to analyze their charts with multiple different indicators and confusing themselves and not really making a real profit. One day they might make profits and the next day they lose it all because they're just questioning themselves. They're not confident because they don't have a clear system, because they just keep adding stuff to their charts thinking, oh, this is the next big thing, right? And that just causes you to be overwhelmed, and sometimes you get a headache. Sometimes you just have to walk away from your desk, and nobody wants to be in that situation. But the thing is, in this day and age, in 2020, things have changed. This has been a very impactful year, that's for sure. But overall, the past couple of years, even the institutions like Wall Street, like institutions, like they are investing heavy money into artificial intelligence and AIs to do trading for them, because they know that the future of trading is with trading algorithms, because they take the emotions out of trading. We've all been in that position where our emotions always get the best of us and think, oh, maybe I shouldn't get in on this one. Maybe I should get on this one. But then you question yourself, and then you actually don't make anything, and you don't act on a move. You miss out, and you miss out big, right? Because then it goes right in your direction. Or your emotions just tell you something, oh, this is going to go down, but then it goes right up because you weren't paying attention to your rules or your technicals, right? And that's what the enhanced trades algo does. It's our robot, and it tells you exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your opportunities. And the best part about it, it gives you your profits, right? You just have to follow our simple take profit steps, and you can see how you can start growing your account exponentially. So how does it work exactly, right? So what it does is it provides you buy and sell signals. So our proprietary algorithm combines complex technical indicators with mathematical formulas to predict winning trade setups with exact entry points. So on your screen, what you would do is once an alert pops up, it's gonna look exactly like this, right? Depending on the colors of your background and your chart setup, obviously those minor factors will differ, but the alert will look exactly like this. Let me zoom in for you. You get the buy alert, you get your entry point, it'll tell you these lines are drawn out for you, and then it tells you your exact take profit level 1, level 2, and level 3. After that, it's free game. You can keep going if you wanted to, but we always recommend that you just take it out at level 3, take your profits, walk away, be happy, right? The best part about the system is that it tells you exactly where to take your profits, where to enter, and the most important one, exactly where to place your stop loss. I've realized that a lot of people struggle with placing their stop losses properly, and then they get burned, or they don't use a stop loss, which should not be done while trading, right? And what the enhanced trades algo really provides to you is that you can trade with confidence, right? You can finally throw the doubt out and trade with confidence with our highly accurate system, which I'll get into because I'll show you guys all the results for it. So all you have to do is just wait for the signals, place your orders, take with your take profit and stop loss lines, and let the magic happen, right? So what's included with this package is one, you get the trading algo, you get the Discord channel with lots of helpful people, as well as our trade alerts and the trade alerts that you can set up by yourself as well. And you get access to a free trading course that's over 5 hours long and provides quality education. This course right here is actually completely free. I'll leave the link down below. You guys can join anytime. I made this personally just to help people out because I realized that there's too many people out there trying to create courses and just ripping people off, right? I got tired of that. I saw that being happening. They're not really teaching anything useful. And I was like, you know what? Let me make that difference for people. And I made it myself. It's completely free. Will always remain free just because I feel like education should be free. And we also have testimonials, people talking about how enhanced trades has helped them. And that's something you guys can read upon yourself. The website link will be down below, but let's jump right into the charts and how it looks. So right now we are looking at the ES futures, right? Because the enhanced trades algo can be used on the futures market, the stock market, the forex market, the crypto market, and in any time frame. But there are certain rules that come with each time frame, and which we will explain to you once you sign up. We get more technical, yes, but it's all very simple, right? So right now we're just looking at the futures chart right now, and this is exactly how your chart would look like once you sign up. You get this nice little buy alert. This gives you the white line, as you guys can see, the price to enter right here. It says 3503.75, and one of our simple rules is just to enter right after like one tick or like 5 cents on a stock. Forex, it's just a pip or two. So that way we just avoid double top scenarios, right? So there's always these tiny little rules in place to help you protect and make better trades. And then you hit take profit level 1, and what would you do is simple. You move your stop from here to break even, and then you just let it ride out. That way your risk to reward is always like you're measured, right? That's the biggest part. Not only do you get the perfect entries, but you also get proper risk management, which we all know is super important with trading. So now talked about this, let's talk about how the results are, right? So these results are based on just swing trading, stocks, right? I'll get in the futures chart next, but the rules for this was pretty simple. Swing trade, stocks based on the 1 hour chart, and follow the alerts, place your stop loss and everything, right? We are not saying that this is a system that's foolproof and completely it'll win every single time, 100% of the time. No, there's no such thing in trading that wins 100% of the time. And you should never believe somebody that says, oh, we win 100% of the time, because that's just false. That's just not possible, or else the Wall Street guys would be all over it, right? The win rate is going to vary from stock to stock because obviously every asset acts differently. But overall, for Facebook, for the past 4 years, since 2017, this data, every single alert, like we have our purchase price, our sell price, our P&L, and our win rate, right? Since 2017, say you started off with $25,000 in your account, and all you did was, just reinvest that every time after, right? So in the past 4 years, what would have happened? You would have ended up with 76,000, right? Getting 305% return. So let's see what happened in NVIDIA. We all know the tech stocks. These are nice. I trade these personally as well. These were one of my favorites. So NVIDIA, same thing. And you guys can look at these these results at any point. The link will be in the Discord channel, and you guys can click through that. You guys can save your own copy and have it for your own records. But you guys can also just look at the charts. Just go back to that chart at that time, and you'll see, hey, that alert was there and what profit we took it for. And the key thing to pay attention to is look at how much we are winning, but look at how much we're losing, right? Winning 7.5%, but only losing 0.65%, right? Winning 12%, 4.2%, 1.65%, but our losses are very limited. So it's like that's the most important part. That's how you grow your accounts, making sure your losses are small, right? That's why they always say cut your losses short. And with the system, your losses are always measured, and you're never in that chance like, oh, it might just crash that day. It's like, oh, you might lose everything, right? That's never the case. Your stop loss is defined, and you're in good hands. So NVIDIA, if you started in 2017, right, January, first alert, 25,000, boom. Let's scroll down. Let's see, by August of 2020, you would have made what? Profit of 231,000 and a 927% return. That's also, again, this is just reinvesting that same amount, not calculating in the fact that you're taking money out, but this is purely based on like growth, right? Let's look at Apple, everyone's favorite. How much would you have made in Apple if you just use the Algo's alerts? Past 4 years, 430%, 107,000. And my personal favorite that I love trading all the time and swing trading the most is TQQQ. This is a leverage ETF, 3x shares. Definitely look into it if you haven't heard about it yet. But since 2017, boom, this one grew exponentially. It was ridiculous for the past couple years. So if you started with 25,000 by, June of 2020, you would have had 442,000 with a 1,769% return. This has been great to me. I've loved it. And look at the win rate, 78% win rate. Overall, 75 wins, 20 losses, but the losses were always small, right? This is if you're swing trading stocks. So what if you're a futures trader? You want to get in and out, right? For this, all we do is we trade 2 contracts, and I actually do live streams every morning, and we try to take these alerts whenever we get them. And all we do is, for the futures market, we only trade between 8 and 12 a.m. in the New York session, and I only specifically trade the E-mini S&P futures, the ES, right? And the algo's results, I just watch it in the 5-minute charts, place my orders, let it run, and place my stops, and I'm done. And I move it up as we go up, but you'll see that in like the live examples if you ever join me on the live streams. But overall, July, boom, 15,000 just trading 2 contracts. August, 9,000 trading 2 contracts every single time. And you have to understand, like, we're not taking multiple trades. We're not a high frequency trade system. We're a quality trade system where we're not gonna get alerts every single second. We're gonna get those 1 or 2 alerts in the morning where it's like they're really gonna pay out, and they add up. Because your $49 subscription paying you $13,000 in 1 month, I think that's more than valuable, right? And then September, same thing. Win rate's only 65% in this month because we had some more losses, but guess what? We still walked away with a good amount. October, boom. November is still in process, but November's been green so far. Just in 2 trades, we had like 4,000. But October was pretty slow. Obviously, we knew how the market would react in October, so it was slow, but still profitable, right? That's what matters. 56% win rate. And we have break-even trades, losses, and wins. Only had 2 losses, 9 wins, 5 break-even. And that's one of the best parts about this algo, is that you will have those days where you break even, right? A lot of people just end up going for the win or going for the loss, but then they never do it for break even. And with our strategy and everything in place, and we teach you everything, right? Once it hits level 1 and level 2, you're going to be moving your stop up to break even, and you're going to let it be. You're going to let it run to level 3, or you're going to just cut it and take your profit at level 2 and be happy, right? And that's exactly what you do. Like a live example of this would just be, look, we entered here at 3503, boom, and then hit level 1, I would move my stop up to break even, and then I'll just let it ride out. Because our whole system is based on making sure risk management is assured, right? It's like you have to make sure like you focus on risk management as well as taking your profits. That's how you grow your account. Because if you just keep going for those things where it's like people are saying, oh, let me just YOLO this and go for that all the way and everything, guess what? They're the ones that usually end up getting burned, right? And if we ever went for those trades, you guys would realize, hey, we got burned by that. And that happens like all the time. And for example, if you want to see, let's just look at SPY, right? The easiest thing to look at. Let's just jump into 1-day charts. I'm a big person on swing trading. I personally swing trade a lot. I only day trade futures, and I use this system, and I've been using it for a while. Has done well for me. But let's just take a look, right? How the alerts pop up. Right now, we have an alert. Today's November 9th. Alert came on November 4th. First target is at 363.76. Second target is at 379.57, and third target is at 395.39. So with all of this, it hit level 1 right now. My stop loss would right now is moved to 0 because I got in on this, right? So it's like move to 0, and then I let it ride out because then I'm not losing anything. I'm just letting it ride out. I let my winners run and I cut my losses short. Biggest part about trading, right? And this helps you. A profit taking system, these lines, the green lines are your take profits, your red lines are your stop losses, and your white line is your entry point. So let's take a look. How well did it work out, right? Right there, nice move here. We wouldn't have got in. Why? We're gonna have a simple rule that says we don't enter anything unless it breaks above that candle, right? Because arrow alerts are always come at like the candle's highs, and we want it to break above. That confirms momentum. Because remember what I said in the beginning, we're looking for pre-momentum moves and places to enter so that we can catch this big wave, right? Here is perfect. We enter right here, right? We would get that, all those lines that you see here, they come up every time you have a new alert. That way your chart isn't cluttered or anything, because if you had lines every single time, it would be confusing and looking at charts would be messy. So we made it so that every time you have a new alert, pops up to the new alert, and that's it. Go back in time. You guys can see for yourself. Buy, 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 buy. Like, what about QQQ? Those are indexes. You guys can look at them. Like, right? Buy here. Sell here for a short. And like you can do this for days and days and days, right? Like you can just keep scrolling backwards. You'll see the results. It's all there. Like it's not any lies or anything like that, right? It's like if you go back to the website, the whole point is keep trading simple, right? You got to remove the noise from your charts, and that's exactly what we did. We took all of our technical analysis skills and our strategies and all these formulas. If trying to explain the whole algo gets very complicated and takes a very long time, but the simplest way to do it is think about it as like all the crazy stuff that you see on your screen all combined into one little thing where once all the parameters are met, it's going to give us this buy signal, and it's going to give us our take profit levels and our stop losses, our entry points, right? And that's what's important. And I'm here. Like I want you guys to test the system out for yourself. So that's why I'm gonna leave a promo code below where it says if you use the promo code YouTube when you check out, you're gonna get the first month completely free. So you guys can test it out for yourself. You guys can see the results for yourself, and you guys can chat with me on the Discord at any point. You can join right now. There's a link below as well, and you guys can just chat with me, ask me questions or anything. Right? Always happy to help. Created the system. One, it was my trading system, so I was like profiting from it, but now I want to help others do the same. Definitely take advantage of that. The fact that you can have this for a whole month for free. All you need is a TradingView account, and you just need, once you sign up, just send me over your TradingView username, and I'll guide you through the whole setup process. The setup process only takes like less than 5 minutes, not even. But yeah, overall that it really is that simple. The whole point again is to keep trading simple and remove the noise from your charts, because I really do believe simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And ever since I spent so much money creating this algo, that made my life easier and it paid for itself. So I just want to help you guys out. Definitely use that code. The code is YouTube, and you can use that at checkout, and you'll get the whole month for free. The first month, okay? Right? And yeah, hey guys, just sign up, check it out for yourself, see how well it can work for you. There you are. And until next time, peace out, guys.